Hey guys, TJ here with HD Pocket Doors. Let's take a walk out into the workshop and check out what we're working on this week. I'm going to showcase a few things that we got going that we're building for the International Builders Show. It's going to be in Vegas, February of 2027. We're going to have a booth there, basically highlighting all of the frame, track and hardware, different variances that you can have. And there's going to be a lot of really good things in there I think you're all going to want to see. This is an automatic door. You got multiple different options on how you can open and close these doors. So you got your wave to open, you have a remote control, and on the other side of this thing, you can check it out, we actually have a motion on this side. So this is our full arch frame. We supply the arch track covers, we supply the steel, track and hardware. And this one here, I think, is something that people are really gonna like. You know, as you walk right up to it, it's gonna open, it's gonna close on its own. You can set up a lot of different options in these frames for amount of time the doors stay open before they close, or you can lock them. You can have a lot of different stuff. And showcasing in our 2x6 frame, as always, you can put shallow boxes in here for light switches or receptacles. So check us out, IBS, February 2027. We're gonna have a full 20x30 booth. We're gonna have all of our rolling displays in that booth. We're gonna be showcasing everything that we have to offer. 4-inch wide frame, our 2x6 frames, all the different track and hardware. It's gonna be a really good time. It's gonna be the first show that we have a booth at. Really encourage you guys to come out. The humongous International Builders Show in Vegas, February 2027. Check us out.